Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I hope you are doing great. I am back with another recipe you are going to like. I'm going to be showing you how to make abacha using potash. So if this video is interesting to you, keep watching. So these are all the ingredients needed for this recipe, guys. I have here abacha. I have fresh fish. You can also use dry fish if you want, or you can buy fresh fish and smoke it. I have oil. I have my Utazi with me. It's not compulsory, but people that eat abacha love it so much. Or you can also use garden egg seed or garden egg leaf, whichever one you have is fine. So next I have my pepper, maggi, and salt. And then I have my crayfish, I have my onions, and then I have the potash I'm going to be using for this recipe, one of the important ingredients in this abacha. So this potash contains a lot of stone. You are going to dissolve it in water and then use the water and throw away the stones, or else you are going to have a lot of stone in your abacha. Next, I have this favorite ingredients of mine. It is called the calabash nutmeg. It's a local spice. Whenever I use it for abacha, oh my gosh, there's this taste it gives you. You eating the abacha and then you don't want to stop eating it. The taste is very nice. People use it for different kinds of food as well. So guys, let's just jump into the video and start the process. I'm going to smoke my fish. Then next, I'm going to be roasting this calabash nutmeg. The reason why I'm roasting, you can use your pot to roast it too. As I'm a village girl now. I say make I roast am for fire like that. You roast it to get the flavor you need from it. When you roast it like this, the flavor will be very nice. And then I didn't even know I have leftover in my grinder, so I added the remaining the ones. So I added another one on it and then grind it. This grinder is very nice. I bought it in Amazon. Almost na lifesaver this grinder be. So guys, I've grinded it and the flavor is just everywhere. Next, I'm going to be putting my abacha in hot water. So this abacha, what I do, I don't leave it in hot water to soak for too long. I usually just soak it and then remove it from water because you don't want it to be too soft. When it's too soft, it's not good. So I usually just put it on hot water and then remove it again immediately. So, but before I would do it like this, I make sure I've gotten all the ingredients I needed close by because I don't want it to get soaked in water much. So I'll just keep it aside and then start mixing the potash. So next, I'm going to be adding the oil in the pot. After adding the oil in the pot, I'm going to be adding the potash as well. So I've already soaked the potash in water. This is the one I have. I separated the stone from it and then I'm going to be mixing it around until it becomes thick. So if you want to do it sheerwood, this is the method you do. If you want to do kanda, this is how you do it as well. Next, I'm going to be adding my maggi, pepper and salt and then go in with my crayfish, mix it up very nicely. So guys, this food is one of the most popular food you'll find in the eastern part of Nigeria. Next, I'm adding the onions and then I'll add the calabash nutmeg and then give it a mix. Mix it properly before adding my abacha. So any house you visit in the eastern part of Nigeria, before you stay 1 to 2 days there, they will serve you abacha. And even when you go for parties or celebration, marriage celebration, or any kind of party at all, you are going to be served abacha in the eastern part of Nigeria. So guys, as you can see now, I'm adding the abacha in the pot. And also it's being sold in the streets. A lot of people don't like abacha with potash. They said potash disturb their stomach. So I have a couple of video on how to prepare abacha, which I'm going to be putting that link in the description box of this video and at the top of this video. Just in case you prefer that one, go and watch it. You are going to like it. So guys, as you can see, I'm mixing these ingredients together. I'll make sure I mix it properly until I can no longer see the whitish of the abacha. And then I'll also test for salt. And then that is it. Simple. Your abacha is ready. Who is with me? Bring your spoon. In fact, abacha is not good to eat with spoon, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. See you all on my next one. Bye.